Hello, welcome to Lithical Preps again. Please, if today is your first time of visiting this channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more exciting math questions together. Thank you for doing that. We have an x exponent 2 plus x squared on x plus 1 all squared, and it's equal to 40 on 9. Okay, so now we can look for the LCM for the left hand side, which is x plus 1 all squared. So in this case, we are going to get x squared into bracket x plus 1 all squared plus x squared on, so to be x plus 1 all squared, which is equal to 40 on 9. Okay, so now we can expand this, okay, which is x squared into bracket x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus x squared, all on x plus 1 all squared, which is equal to 40 on 9. Okay, now let's simplify this. So we have x power 4 plus 2x cubed plus x cubed plus x. Okay, so now we can say that x exponent 4 plus 2. So this one we can say that x squared. Okay, then we have 1 here, so it will be x. Okay, then this and this, it gives us 2x. Okay, this and this gives us 2x. So since we have 2x here, so plus 1. Okay, on x plus 1 all squared, which is equal to 40 on 9. Okay, so you can say that we have x exponent 4 on x plus 1 all squared plus 2x squared into bracket x plus 1 all over x plus 1 all squared, which is equal to 40 on 9. So this will cancel this. So now our equation is going on x plus 1 all squared plus 2 exponent x squared on x plus 1, which is equal to 40 on 9. Okay, so now I can say that let m is equal to x squared on x plus 1. Okay, so our m is equal to x squared over x plus 1. So with this, we are having m squared over, so we are saying everything here is m, so plus, okay, 2m, which is equal to 40 on 9. Okay, this, the reason is that this will cancel the 4, the 2 will cancel the 4. Okay, yes, so all possible. Okay, so before we let me explain it before we move on. So this one, we can express it as x squared on x plus 1 all squared, okay, and plus 2 multiplied by x squared on x plus 1, which is equal to 40 on 9. So now that we are saying our m is equal to x squared over x plus 1, so we have an m squared Okay, m squared plus 2m is equal to 40 on 9. Okay, now I hope it is clear so that we can continue from here. So we are having this, we can multiply both sides by 9. So this one will give us 9m squared plus 9 times 2 is 18. So 18m is equal to 40. It's equal to 40. So you can get m squared plus 18m minus 40 is equal to 0. Okay. So now this 18 here, you can express it as 9m squared plus 30m minus 12m minus 40, which is equal to 0. Okay. So with this, the common factor, which is 3, so 3m into bracket 3m plus 10. Okay, so 3m times 10, which is 30m. 3m times 3m, which is 9m squared. Okay, minus 4 into bracket 3m plus 10. Okay, which is equal to 0. 4 times 3m, which is 12m. Negative 4 times 10, which is negative 40. Okay, so with this, we can get 3m minus 4 into bracket 3m plus 4, plus 10 rather, which is equal to 0. Okay, so in this case, we are having 3m minus 4, which is equal to 0. Okay, and then another one, 3m plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, let's not forget that we said that our m is equal to x squared over x plus 1. Okay, so we have 3 into bracket x squared over x plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so for this, you get 3x squared on x plus 1, which is equal to 4. Okay, so now this, so we get going to get 3x squared is equal to 4x plus 4. Okay, so with this, we say that 3x squared minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. So we solve this using factorization. So we get 3x plus 2 into bracket x minus 2, which is equal to 0. So we have 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, and then x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we get 3x, which is equal to negative 2. So x is equal to negative 2 and 3. Then here we get x is equal to 2. Okay, so we are having s is equal to negative 2 on 3, then s is equal to 2 for the first case. Okay, now let's look at the second case. So it will be 3 into bracket x squared on x plus 1 plus 10, which is equal to 0. So we're having 3x squared on x plus 1, which is equal to negative 10. Okay, so we have 3x squared, which is equal to negative 10x minus 10. So we get 3x squared plus 10x plus 10, which is equal to 0. So with this, our A is 3, B is 10, and our C is 10. So we are going to use the quadratic formula, which is equal to, so now you have negative 10 plus or minus root of 10 squared minus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 10 all over 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, so now get x is equal to negative 10 plus or minus Now, when you simplify everything here, we are going to get root of negative 20 all on 2 multiplied by 3. Okay. And with this, we get x is equal to negative 10 plus or minus root 20. We know that is going to be 2 root 5i. Okay. All over 2 times 3. Don't forget that this becomes a complex solution. Okay, it's a complex solution, so there's no need for us to continue. So it means that we reject this solution. Okay, so our solution for the expression is x is equal to negative 2 on 3 comma and 2. So this is our final answer for this expression. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting questions. Thank you. Bye.